In this video, I'll show you how to install IPA files on your iPhone without using computer. The first step is to click the link given in the description of the video. Click on Get button. Now tap on the share icon at the bottom. Click on Add to Home Screen. Add. FlexStore icon will be added to the home screen. Just tap on this. Click on Allow. Click on Device. Add device. Allow. Click on Close. Now the next step is to go to Settings on your iPhone. It says Profile Downloaded. Click on Install and install this profile on your iPhone. Now once you do so, open FlexStore app. Here you will find your UDID. So click on Developer Certificate plus Premium Access. You need to make a purchase of $15.99. Once you make a purchase, you will be able to install any IPA files on your iPhone without a single issue. So once you make a purchase, it will be activated after 24 to 48 hours. Once it is activated, you can go to the apps section. Here you will find a list of preloaded apps. You can install them, or if you have any IPA file, click on Signer, select IPA file, choose File, select the file, and this will install the IPA file on your iPhone. So installing IPA files on your iPhone is easy with the help of FlexStore. So that's it about the video, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.